Clean the back and sides of the phone. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the back panel cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all the 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding on to the mark sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Peel off the top layer from a corner, keeping the hydrogel on the phone, and remove it gradually, section by section. Adhere the curved corners of the screen and ensure the gap between the screen and the phone side panel is properly filled. After applying the screen section, proceed to adhere the side panel of the phone. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners. The bubbles, lines and shades will disappear automatically within 24 hours. Use a hairdryer to heat the corners of the phone. Then press them gently with your fingers to make the corners more flexible and ensure a secure attachment.